Hey, hi, welcome to Kids Lab. Hope you all are going well. First of all, happy Children's Day in advance to all my little kiddos present over here. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make class birthday crafts. Yes, we are going to learn how to make the crafts as well as class birthday chart. Let's start. For this, we need ruler, a pair of scissors, shiny paper, punching machine, sketch pens, glitter pen, glue, color papers and a cardboard box. So first of all, put the margin in all the four sides. This idea come to my mind when I entered to my ex-students class and I saw that their birthday chart was so dull. So I thought that let's make this one and to give some idea to them so that they can use their creativity and for the next time they can prepare something interesting one. So this one is one type of, you can prepare any type of, you can take the candles, balloons, cartoons, those who are very good in art and craft they can do. In fact, this video is also helpful to other teachers, those who are following this channel or those who are come across this channel. They can also get some idea to prepare the birthday charts for their children and to make it interesting. Now, for the heading also we will mark the lines. For this whole one, I have taken the black color paper that you can see and the jean color paper so that except any other colors, only this glittery silver color can work. Now we will draw the x-axis and y-axis. Do you know that why I have taken x-axis, y-axis? Yes, because we are going to draw the graphs and in our graphs there are the two axes that we are using, x-axis and y-axis. So kindly name them. This is y. The meeting point is called as the origin point, so that one is O. And other side it will be X. Now let's take the cardboard and cut one piece from it. This one is easily available at the home, so you can do that. Now tear out the coverings and clean it properly. Tear out the coverings from both of the sides so that it can stick. Now, do you know what is the size of the cup or have you seen the cupcakes? Yes, we are going to draw the base out of it. So cut a piece of cupcake size. If this one is bigger one, you can make it smaller also. By taking this one, you can take out number of cupcakes. Here I have taken the 12 cupcakes for the 12 months. From January to December. Now take the color paper and draw the semicircle using this protractor and then cut it from its outline. Here draw the googly eyes and lips. I have taken the two colored papers, pink color one for the girls and yellow color one for the boys. You can choose any color. And for the girls I have drawn the eyelashes too. And can you see so many sketch pens I have used here? These are the toppings. Garnishing one. I guess we all love that one. So this one is the yellow color paper. Do the same for the yellow one. Draw some colorful sprinkles on it so that it can look real. Now We will just repeat this one. Here yellow color for the boys we have taken. If you like this video, then turn white thumb blue. And if it is really useful for you, then kindly share with your friends and families and also with your colleagues so that they can learn from it. This Children's Day, I have decided to gift my students this class decoration. Now they are in standard 8. I know they are grown up, but still the decorative rooms will be likable to all. So this one is one type of gift from my side. Along with that, I have also planned so many things in this Children's Day because children are most precious. They have observed the Teachers' Day with pump and power. So why not Children's Day? Pink for the girls. It will take too much of time. Instead of this cupcakes idea, you can take the photographs also. You can use that one, or else you can use the candles that I have told you for the graph one. Instead of graph, also you can take so many things like houses or the cups, real cups you can use, or the Mickey Mouse with the balloons of 12 months of balloons. So where so many ideas are there you can follow, but birthday chart should be necessary for each and every class. It will give them, or it will make them feel that they are very special to us. Now do as many as boys and girls are there in your class. So according to that, you have to cut or take out the pieces of yellow cards and the pink cards. After doing such things, you can start writing their name as well as date of birth if you wish, and arrange them according to their date of birth, means in the month of January from starting to the end who else are having their birthdays, so that it will be remembered to you, it will be mentioned there, and you can observe their birthdays too. Wow, they are looking so beautiful. Now it is time for the boys. You can use the sketch pens too, because in yellow color many colors can be reflected there and can come out with beautifully instead of pink color one. So you can use any color of this. Now divide the whole x-axis into the 24 sections, so that in each of 2 sections you can write the name of the months. So start from the first section, name the months giving one gap, so that we can paste the toppings. Time for pasting. Now apply the glue on the back side and paste the cupcake on each month. You can color these cupcakes if you wish. Press each cupcake and leave them to dry. Now, according to date of birth, place the toppings. You can draw as many as emojis as you can, but almost try to use the smiley faces. Now write the name of the months on the bottom part. Now make a stencil using the punching machine, or else if possible then you can paste it also. In the gap, by using the silver ink pen, draw the cherries. It's time to draw the section for the y-axis. In y-axis, write down the number of students. It means it shows how many students have their birthdays in their respective months. Likewise, you can see from this birthday graphs, there are so many students are born on October and no students are born on July. At last, put the headings and decorate. To make it more elegant, you can use the glitter nail polish in one side only, or else you can use any script if you know. Make design with punching machine in its border. Now paste some cut pieces of papers on it. So here it is, we are done. How is it? Please comment down in the comment section. And stay tuned for the next part. Till then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay happy. Love you all.